Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube channel. So first, you want to go to your Google Chrome and open your YouTube channel on your Google Chrome. So to do that, tap this search box right here and type youtube.com. And then you will see the homepage of YouTube. Now I want you to tap on the red button, red icon at the top right corner, which is the three dots, and you will see the desktop site option right here. So tap this one. Now as you can see on your screen, it looks like a desktop view. Now I want to go to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then go to YouTube Studio. Now if you have an application downloaded on your device, it will automatically open your YouTube Studio. But I want you to go back to Google Chrome and search for studio.youtube.com and then tap on search. Finally, you are now on your YouTube Studio here on your web browser. Now, all I want to do right here is go to the bottom left corner and tap the settings, the gear icon, which is the settings right here. Now, as you can see here, the settings, tap on this channel and then go to advanced settings. Now right here, I want you to scroll it down until you see the remove YouTube content. Now after you re-enter your password, tap this I want to permanently delete my content. Now here you need to check these two boxes and then finally tap this delete my content. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.